Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below and be part of the beauty squad. If you guys want to see what I pack with me and how I travel and a little bit of update of kind of where I've been, then go ahead and stay tuned. Fire, baby.
All of my friends are paid. I get that pay from VA. I tell my hajja I'm flossy, yeah. I get some bad, ship it overseas. I'm in Dubai, I don't need a visa.
It has been a very long time since I sat down and recorded, but I wanted to bring this video to you guys vlog style. Nothing really formal about it. Don't mind, I have no makeup on. I just came back from work, but so I kind of just wanted to update you guys a little bit about my life and kind of what's been going on. But I took I want to say a little bit over a month break, and I just felt like I just needed to take that break. There's just been a lot of things going on, like good and other things that I'm working on. So yeah, so it wasn't really like a planned break. It kind of just happened, and anybody who's here on YouTube knows that sometimes you just need to take a break and regroup and figure that out. And so yeah, that's what's been happening. And then also there's something I've been wanting to share with you guys. I don't know, I just wanted to wait, so I guess I'm kind of ready to share that with you guys. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you should. Instagram always knows first. The break I took was mainly from YouTube, not necessarily Instagram, but I still wasn't uploading. I still wasn't posting on Instagram every single day, just, you know, once every couple of days. But so if you don't know, if you haven't been following me on Instagram, which if you're not, you should, then you will know that I got engaged. Yeah, so I might include a little clip of kind of how it happened, and I'll might or might not do a full video on like how it happened and all that stuff. But yeah, so today is August 8th and I got engaged on March 16th, so really happy about that. I am getting married in about 4 months. Yeah, I'm getting married in August. That might seem like a short distance to some of you guys, but it's really not. That's kind of why I wanted to sit down and make this little update video. I didn't want to just come back with a video for you guys, you know, out of nowhere. But before I upload this video, I am gonna upload some vlogs and other videos that I had recorded before I took my break, but I just never got around to editing, so I will be posting that. And then also this is going to be a pack with me kind of vlog video, so like a little life update and then a pack with me. I'm not gonna do anything formal about it. It's really informal. Yeah, I am going to Dubai for the second time. I went 2 years ago or a year and a half ago, and I didn't vlog that. I didn't vlog that trip just because I was still fairly new with the vlogging, so I really didn't. But my brother and his wife actually have a channel, and I'll leave it down link. I'll leave it down in the description. They actually vlogged, so if you guys want to see kind of what we did and all that, I'll leave everything down in the description box. So, but this time we are going for about 2 weeks. We're going for majority wedding prep and just getting certain things, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna be doing a wedding series to kind of just show you guys like a different side of, you know, like I'm Somali and my future husband, he's Somali too, so we're gonna show, I want to show you guys kind of how like a Somalian Americanized wedding it would be. I can't come up with the words, but yeah. So yeah, so it's me, my sister, my mom, and my nephew, the baby. I'm going to Dubai for 2 weeks. We're going to be doing a lot of wedding prep. I'm hoping to do a little bit of sightseeing too. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. So if you guys want to come along this journey, I'm gonna do a pack with me. So yeah, you guys stay tuned, and if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So the first thing I think I'm gonna pack is my makeup and my skincare and all of that stuff. I'm going to be packing it in this little marble case. that I got from TJ Maxx. And I wanted to do it a little bit different, because usually I just take a bunch of little pouches and that's what I use, but no. I just feel like at the end of the day, I end up just looking for everything everywhere. So this time, I want to pack everything in here. So let me prop you guys up here. All my makeup is gonna go in my Henry Bendel, but I'm gonna do that in a second. First, I just want to pack up all my skincare. The first thing I'm gonna take is my my Kiehl's Acne Face Wash Midnight Recovery Cleansing Oil, and I love how this like clips so that it doesn't spill everywhere. And then I like to always just take a face mask, and I'm gonna be taking my Summer Friday overnight mask, and then I'm also gonna take my Midnight Recovery Concentrate. And one of the last things that I'm gonna take is my acne lotion, but I actually ran out, so I need to run to Sephora and get that. All my skincare fit in this little thing right here, and the other two things that I pick up, I'm gonna go in there. I'm also gonna put my deodorant. I also am going to be throwing a Shea Moisture skin mask in here. Throwing in the Listerine Cool Mint mouthwash paste. They're going to be packing away the main shampoo, the conditioner. So I think I'm going to pack away both of them. But the conditioner just because me and my sister are both using it. So I went ahead and I got the Fenty primer. And then setting powder, I'm going to take my Fenty setting powder. I'm going to take my Dermablend loose setting powder. I want to take a liquid highlighter, so I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Hello Halo. Contour palette is Black Radiance. I'm going to take a blush trio from Anastasia. So this pretty much is like my favorites, honestly, in a nutshell. I'm also going to throw in my Perception Shea Line Color Pop palette. Yeah, that's like my go-to palette if that's the only thing that I'm going to take. I'm also going to take the Olay Mist, and I just recently picked this up, and I feel like with the weather being really hot and, you know, muggy and stuff like that, this will be a good product to try out and really see how it holds up in that dry weather. And then I'm going to take my famous Morphe setting spray. I absolutely love this stuff. This is the third can I've gone through, I think, in the last 3 months. For lipstick, I want to take my nude, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Staunch. I'm going to take my brown, which is in Rust. I'm also going to take a red lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Sarah Fine. And then I'm also going to take a ColourPop Super Shock Chic in Butterfly Beach. Yeah, I'm also going to take the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade. I am obsessed with this stuff. A whole bunch of lip liners. I'm going to take my House of Lashes glue. I will be taking 2 of my lashes. If you guys don't know, I do have my own lash line. I have a whole video all about it. So if you guys want to shop my lash line, but I'll go ahead and leave the link and everything down in the description box. So I'll be taking 2 styles, and they're in Yasha and Sumra, just because Yasha is more natural, wearable, and then the Sumras are a little bit more dramatic if I want to wear it out and stuff. Other than that, I feel like I'm pretty much set on my foundation or my makeup. I know some of you guys might say this is a lot of makeup for somebody, but me just taking that bag is a really, really big improvement. So when I pack, please excuse the mess, I like to just take everything in compartments, then it's just a lot easier. So in here I have all my skincare, hair care, anything that like that, this is my makeup, this is my makeup brushes. In here I just have miscellaneous like deodorant, body wash, lotion, and all my clothes are in here. I've already sorted them out into outfits. My shoes are right there, the ones that I'm going to take. This is going to be my carry-on, and then I'm going to go ahead and pack my suitcase. And So hey guys, welcome back to I guess it's a continuation from my pack with me. I did it very vlog style, nothing too formal, and I kind of wanted to do this one as sit down, but still nothing too formal. Please don't mind my background. I'm in the middle of rearranging things, but I am leaving for vacation today, so I wanted to show you guys what's in my carry-on and then kind of start the travel series. Yeah, so you guys might be seeing this outfit again because today's travel day. It is April 13th and it's like 12:30. Our flight is at 6:30 p.m. So we'll be getting ready to leave soon, but I just want to show you guys what's in my carry-on. And the carry-on that I have today is this black Steve Madden backpack that I got from TJ Maxx. And honestly, I used to be the type of person that takes what is it? Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. I used to be the type of person that takes, you know, backpacks and little totes, but then I just realized I carry way too much stuff for me to be carrying and hurting my shoulders, so I just like a backpack better. And this backpack has a lot of room. So, yeah, so the first thing in here is you get a little, you get a little pocket at the front, and the first thing that I have in there is just things for me to run to, and my ring box for my ring, in case I want to take it off. I have my nose drops because I have really bad allergies. I have some Carmex, a roller ball, and some Mentos. I also have my AirPods. I have another Carmex because I think I forgot that I had one. I have a Kiehl's lip balm. I have a eye drop because I wear contacts, and I also bought regular headphones from Amazon, like the ones for the plane, just because this is gonna be I'm going to Dubai, so this is gonna be like a 13-14 hour flight. So in case there's movies on there, I don't like the headphones that they give me, so I just went ahead and I bought my own. So that's what's in the front pocket. And then next, if you want to just go into the main bag, the main slots, it's just kind of open. It does have two little pockets in the front and a zipper in the back. So the first thing that I keep in there is my portable heart battery pack. I absolutely love this thing, cannot live without it. And the next thing I have in there is just some tissue because I have really bad allergies, like I said. So let me put that back. And so I'm just going to start pulling out things that are in there. So the first thing that I have in there is my travel wallet. And I did get a travel wallet just because I felt like it's going to be a lot easier carrying my boarding pass, my passport, my ID. And then it's also something that I can use on the trip. So I got that. And then next thing I have is my planner. And the back of the pages, I use it as a kind of like journal, I guess, like ideas. It has a bunch of blank pages, so I just like having some kind of notebook and pen just in case I want to write anything down, and I can't go anywhere without this thing. And I got that from Amazon. I also got my travel wallet from Amazon. I'll leave all the Amazon links at the bottom. And then next thing I have in here is kind of like a emergency bag, and I don't think I want to go too depth into it, but honestly this just has lotion, Tums, hand wipes, some essential oils for my anxiety, a toothpaste, my toothbrush, kind of everything that I could possibly need on a 13-hour flight would be in this bag. If you guys want a more in-depth like of what I actually carry, then go ahead and leave me a link and I'll let you guys know. And the next thing I have here is this little pouch that came with the Steve Madden bag, and I just use this for my tech. So as you can see, I have all my chargers, my wires, my little hard drive, my memory cards, anything that I would need to use on the plane. And then the next thing I just have is my sunglasses, and I just recently got these. These are my Key Australia sunglasses, so I just put those in there. And the next thing I have is a pair of socks because I will be wearing slides and my feet get really cold. And then I got this cool little thing. So I love sleeping on the plane, but I hate carrying the neck pillows because I just feel like they're so bulky. So this actually came from Amazon, and it is a inflatable and deflatable neck pillow. So it's just so easy to carry and travel with. And then it's something that doesn't take up a lot of room when you're not using it. You just deflate it by pressing a button and you put it back. So I really like that. And then next thing I have is my laptop charger, and I just like, it's just the actual base. I have some gum that couldn't fit in my emergency bag. And then lastly, the only two things I have in here is my iPad, and I have a lot of movies and videos on here. And then I also have my laptop because as a YouTuber and a creator, I need to edit videos and, you know, just try to get some work done as much as I can. And then lastly, there's a little zipper right here, and in there I just have some feminine stuff like some pads, and then I just have this little thing for my pills, that any medication that I would need to travel with, and that's about it. So this bag carries a lot of things and it's not heavy at all. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this little pack with me, it was not formal at all. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure you guys are subscribed and you stay tuned for the travel vlogs. There's gonna be a few of them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next